Hi everyone. So I'm going to bring you in the next few days a series of videos on what is an author's bio, how to write it and how to build it, and what to write in your author's bio if you haven't published any of your works before at all. Now, what is an author's bio and how to write and build it is a common question that many aspiring writers have. Of late, I met an aspiring writer who wanted to submit to a forthcoming anthology where she was asked to submit her author's bio along with her creative piece. Eventually, she reached out to me and I felt maybe a video on this would help. So here I am. So, an author's bio, also known as an author's bio note, is an author's biography which primarily comprises the author's work biography along with maybe a little about the writer's personality and experiences. It gives a quick overview of the writer's work done so far along with their significant literary achievements, including awards, literary fellowships, or residencies attended, or any kind of editorial or readership experiences. So there isn't any definite structure of it, and whether it's a literary magazine and an anthology, a literary agent, a publisher, or fellowship or writing residency, everyone demands an author's bio during submission of your work. However, the format may differ for different literary spaces. Hence, if you're serious about publishing and sending your works to lit mags, anthologies, agents, or publishers, you must have a good author's bio ready with you. Now comes the question of how to write an author's bio. For that, I'm going to post another video soon in which I will specifically talk about how you should be structuring your author's bio with some clear and simple examples. All the links to the forthcoming videos on the author's bio series will be updated in the description below once they are uploaded. So do check it out and stay tuned to know more, and then start working on your author's bio if you are serious about making a successful career as a writer. See you soon. Bye.